What's up, guys? Welcome back to Hike Squad. Today we're going to be hiking Montecito Hot Springs. So we're here right now, and it's a 4-mile hike, steep incline, and it's pretty good, as you can see.
Oh yeah, it's nice and warm, just like jacuzzi temperature, about 100 degrees or so. Super fun, but a bit busy, so you gotta come here early.
Show them.
Yeah.
Once you get to the trailhead, on the right side there's a parking lot, and it gets packed in the morning, so make sure you come early. You want to go on the Cold Spring Trail, which is about a 4-mile hike out and back. You will be walking through private properties at the beginning of the hike, so stay on trail. This is a map of the trail, as you can explore different hikes. This is where you are, and this is where you want to be if you're heading to the hot springs. This is a moderate hike with about 793 elevation gain. Also, watch out for wildlife such as bobcats, mountain lions, bears, coyotes, and deer. Pack it in and pack it out. Don't leave any trash behind. Also, you'll be walking through some huge, beautiful properties. But always, always, always stay on trail. Stay over here and not on the road because cars may pass by. Waterfall. Wet already. Now you will be entering the wild of Los Padres National Forest, and this is where you really have to watch out because the canyon can be very steep and you can fall. Wear long sleeves because this is indeed poison oak. So once you're halfway on the trail, there's a waterfall you can go and look at, which is kind of cool. So yeah, just know, hidden waterfall. Bye. Hot Springs Trail is the one you should be taking to get to the hot springs, which is about 0.7 miles from the signage point. There will be one creek crossing across this hike, which will be this one midpoint of the hike. Make sure to wear water-compatible shoes. One creek crossing. Continue on this marked trail and you'll be almost there. This is the steepest part of the hike, so it is a steady incline. So spots up on the rocks. There would be a waterfall hidden along the way. Let's call it Montecito Waterfall because there's no precise name for the waterfall. It is a massive waterfall, and you can take a moment to look at it along the midpoint of the hike. It's an awesome view and very relaxing. This pipe is the hot spring water, and it goes through here. Interesting plants over here, and the hot springs tube is over there. Mud. You start walking through this forest, you can see a beautiful mountain. You can hike up there to see the views of Santa Barbara Ocean. Once you reach this point of the hike, this is when the water gets hot in the creek and the rotten egg smell should start to appear. Once you reach this first sign, you can either go on the steps of the trail and go check out the ocean views as I did in this part of the video, or you can turn over the creek and go to the actual hot springs. Follow this trail over here. This is the Los Padres Mountains, guys. Let's keep going on the hike. Once you're over here, you have reached the ocean views, and now let's go to the hot springs. No, once you come upon this first sign, or second one, this way you take this trail to the ocean views, and you gotta cross the creek and go up to this one to the hot springs, which we are going to be doing. This is the way up to the hot springs. As you can see, the clouds are starting to roll in, so it's not as cloudy as it was in the morning. But here we are. Here's the mountain that you can climb up. Not recommended, but some people do climb it. And it's also off trail. But there's also... Once you've made it, you're going to turn right or left, and you will go to the hot springs. Congratulations, you've made it. There's about 8 hot springs tubs here, and you can choose between all of them. As you can see, it is very crowded on weekends. Because we went on Sunday, it gets very crowded, so it is recommended to go on a weekday. Do not submerge your head in the water or touch your face with water, as this place does have breathing amoeba found in its waters because of the temperature. I'm trying to get used to the water, but it's ultra hot. It's the hardest part of the park. Oh, that's hot. Chilling in here. Pretty hot, to be honest. It's pretty good.
You gotta make it even harder now.
What do you mean by that?
A little time for snacking after a nice fun time in a jacuzzi, in the hot spring jacuzzi. I mean, it's a cool hike because like you get here, it takes you about 1 hour. It's an incline hike, easy but still incline, so it's a bit hard. And then at the end, you just get to enjoy a little bonus.
Yep.
Sit in the little hot water, enjoy your time, grab some lunch. I think the best time to come here might be in the winter because then it's like really enjoyable. It's cold.
Right now
but-
it's fall.
Yeah.
Maybe if you come here at like 6 a.m. and it's still cloudy and cold, it'd be nice. And also at night, maybe it would be cool.
Yeah.
No people. That'd be a cool experience, to be honest.
I agree.
But yeah.
But yeah, definitely recommended.